Meeting is being recorded.
Okay. So we just wait for some times and then we start by in 5 minutes we start today session. Thanks, guys. Yeah, the session it will take 2 hours. It is recording, and if you have time, you can continue. If you have some work, you can go and you can watch it in YouTube as well. Okay, Bhupinder. All right. Okay, that's good. Sure. Okay. So clear from my side. You can hear me clearly and louder. So no problem. So let me share the screen and we start working on today's session. Just let me share my screen. Okay, guys. Thank you. Okay. One moment. Yeah, definitely I'll go ahead. But I'm just waiting for some of the students are still joining and then we start in a couple of minutes. All right, that's great. Okay, 1 second. All right. Okay. I have zero knowledge about this. Oh, okay, Mohammed, you have zero knowledge. All right. So no worries. Let's start today's session and let's understand. Um, there's a few things as every time I'll mention this one. So the name of the workshop today, RAG workshops, and this is applications of generative AI. This is can you share YouTube live link? Yeah, I will share. I will share. No, first listen the classes and then I will share you later, or else you will confuse. Okay, buddy? Yeah. Okay. Next one. So this is what, or I think this is what, one moment. Rag live workshop. Just go ahead and let's chart it here. Okay. I share it. There's a few instructions. Sir, any new batch, RAG vector database. Naidu, this is a workshop. Yeah, I will talk all those things. So listen the classes and then we talk all those things. Okay, Naidu. So there's a few instructions I want to mention here. Instructions. And the first one is if anyone has any questions, I will answer. I will speak with you. I will speak with you or answer everybody questions at the end. At the end. And this workshop contains, this includes theory and practical, both hands-on. So hands-on, practical, both. Hands-on, practical, both. All right, third point. So the third point, there's a few instructions I have to write because instructions are very important. So duration of the workshop is going to be 2 hour, might be extended to 2.5 hour. Okay. So this is, I'll take more hours, guys, because I have a more patience and I want to speak with every of my students. And as it's a live workshop, and as you work along with me, so definitely it's going to take more time. And if anyone has any work, if any learners has any work, I know this is a Sunday, so you may leave and you can attend, you can attend the live. I mean, it's a live workshop. YouTube record is given to you. But I would appreciate you just work with me. Things would be pretty clear. Okay. So at this moment, it's all depends on you. Next part. In this workshop, I will explain slowly. So you bear with me. And there's a few. If my students, any old students joined this workshop, then you can work with me, guys. You can work with me. Even though you not understand, even though you not understand, any new student who joined for the first time, any new student who joined for the first time and he don't know about me first time and he don't know about me, so don't worry, I will explain my introductions in quick way. So may I know how many of them are new students? Just raise your hands, guys, so that I can find out. So how many of them new students? New. Naidu. Okay. All right. There is a quite many. Quite many. Okay. So good. Good. There's a quite many. All right. So then definitely I have to give my introductions because for old students not required because I have a few batches going on. So students are joining from there. Any new students who joined for the first time, he don't know about me, I will introduce my LinkedIn profile and all those things. Okay, team. So again, any new students, non-technical, if you not understand, because this is a advanced topics and I will explain, try to work. If not possible, I will connect with you or you can connect with me in LinkedIn as well. Okay. So the instructions part done. The instructions part done. I hope everybody clear. Everybody clear, guys? Yep, just response. Okay, that's good. So, Nath, any new students, I will take your questions at the end. Okay, next one. This is RAG workshop, which is retrieval augmented generations. And we'll do more practical as well, less theory. And I planned some agenda. What is agenda? I'll introduce myself first and I'll talk about what is traditional LLM model and what is RAG based model, what is RAG, what kind of problem RAG used for, RAG architecture, and then we do practical. Then I will introduce my new batch detail informations. Then I'll guide you a generative AI, how many classes I made. For absolutely, you'll find almost like 10 sessions you can find in free sessions in YouTube. I will share all those things and also I will share entire 2.5 hours code file in GitHub so you can work after the session or anytime you want. Pretty clear, guys, up to this? Okay, next one. Let's introduce myself, the first concepts. All good so far. So I want everyone to bring up your some tea, coffee, or just some water bottle to just have a good conversations for 2 hours. And I try my best to explain each and every concepts in detail way. And I hope my voice is pretty clear. And so, okay, you need to check with your side. Thank you, guys. Let's start. So my introductions, because I'm a lead data scientist in Naresh IT, and also I'm industry experience 17 plus year, and I worked Cruiser IT, Genpact, Value Labs, Emphasis, ITFAS, and I also teaching experience in many corporate and many great institutes as well. So right now I'm working with permanent client which is European based because I has a good rapport with 17-year experience is not a small amount of journey I had. So in this journey I made some good clients because they have a permanent for me. So I'm working them. I do provide training in generative AI, artificial intelligence, data science, NLP, and lot of new tech on courses in Naresh IT. So I provide the training on offline mode and online mode. So the lab is available. So the new batch started on 8:30 a.m. So I'll speak more about this later part. And prior to that, so this is all my LinkedIn profile. And I'm going to go back and just refer to this now. This is what the LinkedIn profile. I will share in the link here. Just go to my introductions and then we go for this is what all the details. You can catch me on LinkedIn, everybody. Okay. I'll share the link. You can ping me and I can take a request. So I post all the practicals and lot of achievement I done in my career. So you can find everything's I'm mostly active in LinkedIn. So this is all my detail. you can catch me on thing, guys. Okay. Now, okay, the introductions part we covered. So the new students, I hope understand. The new students, I hope understand. All clear, guys. Mohammed and Nath, Naidu, everyone. Okay. Rajesh, raise your hands. So you raised hand. Can we talk at the end, Rajesh? Because I mentioned, because this is a sessions, and any questions stay, and then we speak at the end. Clear? All right. Sorry about that. Okay, that's good. Next one. What happened, man? You can't wait 1 second. One second, guys. Yeah, Rajesh, unmute you. What happened, buddy? Any question? Unmute you. You raise your hands. We'll discuss later. Is that fine? Okay. Let's start. First class. Wait, Mohammed, just calm down. Okay. We'll go for it. I'll talk to you later. So this is a workshop and we have more to cover on the sessions. So the first one we covered, my introductions also we done. Next one. What is RAG? Yeah, I'm from Odisha as well. That's true. All right. So here, what is RAG? Let's RAG is one of the topic. The next one, what is RAG? And RAG is used in LLM models. So RAG is used in LLM model. LLM model, what is LLM model? Everyone know ChatGPT. Everyone know ChatGPT. All right. So RAG is used in LLM model. LLM model is part of the generative AI. LLM model is part of the generative AI. And generative AI is part of the data science. Very much clear. So what is RAG? So this is RAG is one of the branch, RAG technique is one of the branch in LLM. LLM is branch in generative AI. Generative AI is branch in data science. So that's what we called about data science, all those things. It's use growing day on day wise. Okay, next part. Okay, so let's broken down into three P's. RAG, retrieval. A, augmented. G, generation. Seeking relevant information from a source given a query. For example, getting relevant passages of Wikipedia text from a database given a question. So if you, and augmented, let's so guys, if you ask any question to GPT, internally GPT search the appropriate answer and generate the response, isn't it? So the same way, that's what I'm saying. Getting relevant informations from Wikipedia, from website for a given questions which enter by user. Now, augmented, using relevant retrieval informations to modify into generative models. So this models augmented this query and generate the responses which asked by the user. So generating an output, for example, in the case of LLM, generating a passage of text given an input prompt. Now refer to this architectures, guys. So if you refer this, what is traditional LLM model? We have many LLM model, as you guys, most of them know. We have a Chat GPT, and then Google Gemini AI, and then Meta AI. So these LLM models we have. And you use any model, whether you use GPT, whether you use Gemini, whether you use Llama or Meta, what we do, we ask a questions in the prompt. We have a prompt. We ask a questions. User, I'm a user. You are a user. So you ask your questions in the prompt. All right. And then what you do, write a query. What is the query? Who is cricket player in Indian team? And your GPT model response. GPT model response. So this is called traditional LLM model. This is called traditional LLM model. So I hope understand up to this. Okay. But now what happened? See, sometimes traditional LLM models slow. If you remember, there's a few things. Now, third one. So, ChatGPT, first version is 3.0. Okay. ChatGPT, second version is 3.5. ChatGPT 3.5 turbo. And ChatGPT, the same way 4.0. So, do you know why they keep upgrading the versions? The same way, if we refer to Google, then you have Gemini with 2 billion parameters. Then we have Gemini 9 billion parameters, isn't it? And the same way, 9 billion parameters. And the same way, if you refer to Llama, now the next one is Llama 3. Just open this one. And here we go. I just show you some of this one. So Llama, how many? First 8 billion, 70 billion, 405 billion. So Llama 3 with 8 billion, Llama 3 with 70 billion, and Llama 3 with another one. Just recently it's introduced 405 billion parameters has been trained. That means this model was built, for example, I'm saying for example, on 2021, this has built on, or maybe I can say 22, 2023, or 2024, and 2024. Just goes on, isn't it? So, team, are you understand? Everyone, just give response. Just give response, everyone. Yes, very good. Except Naidu. What about rest of them, guys? Pretty clear informations. Very good. Now, every time we change the model, every time we don't change, the company introduce new models. Assume this model was trained on few text, and this model, assume this model trained on 100 sentence, and 3.5, this model trained on 1000 sentence. This model trained on 10,000 sentence. So this is called keep enhancing the models, guys. These large language models, this is called large language model, LLM model, keep upgrading on day basis. Do you see, guys? We use Windows OS 7 version, then we upgrade to Windows 8, then we upgrade to Windows 9, then we upgrade to Windows 10. We keep doing things, isn't it? Now, what is the problem here? I want to show you some of the issue. Let's refer to this slideshow from current slide. Here we go. In 3.5, okay, which is 2024, still we going on 3.5 turbo. Is Virat Kohli playing next test match? So here, when we ask this question to prompt, do you know prompt response? I don't have real-time information about specific sports, events, or player schedules beyond in my last update, Jan 2022. Pretty clear. So in 3.5, which versions we are using? 3.5. In 3.5, when you write these questions, so this response you got. But when you type these questions, you got a solutions for this. But at that time, we have a more informations about Virat Kohli. If you follow his Insta pages, if you follow Google, they have informations. But the question is, the first problem of LLM models are not up to date. LLM models are not up to date until someone has to train, until someone has to be work on it. Guys, are you clear? So LLM models are not up to date. Next one. So here, why we search in LLM model? The reason being, we are looking for a specific informations. We are looking for a specific informations and updated informations. See, because of ChatGPT, many research jobs are used very freely. You no need to spend more time on research, content creations, art creations. Lot of thing has been done very easily and effective manner. Are you guys clear? So the same way, many informations, LLM models right now also, when you ask any questions to GPT, you get a irrelevant answer. Am I correct, guys? Are you agree with me or not? Very good, Rajesh. So what I'm trying to say, when you ask any questions, you got irrelevant answer. Why? To come out of those problem, we use RAG LLM. To use RAG LLM. So Botla Virendra, can we talk at the last, buddy? See, guys, I keep on saying, the student who raise your hand, I will speak with you at last. I'll answer everybody questions. I will. Today's session is theory and practical. Today's session is theory and practical. I spend more time on practical. As it is a beginner level, I try to explaining you what is LLM model, what is LLM model versions. So what exactly we have? Now this is type of LLM model and LLM model versions. So I hope just now I clearly explained what is these versions and why these models are built, new parameters, all those things. And just now the fourth point is why RAG introduced and apply in LLM model, because the first point is LLM models are not up to date, not up to date. Understand? So that's why the next, after next year, 2025, you get ChatGPT 5.0, Gemini, another billion parameters, 20 billion parameters, and Llama 3. See, just 1 month back, I take a workshop on 8 billion. Now another, I take a workshop on 70 billion. Now 405 billion. So do you see all those things? So they cannot respond for today's temperature, today's data. Yeah, that's right, Ishwar Prakash. So that's what I'm saying, because what happened, LLM models are not up to date, because if you see 3.5, we have a Virat Kohli informations, but ChatGPT cannot respond. So, but the question, why we use LLM model? Because we need accurate informations. So, or up to date informations. So to get this up to date informations, we are using RAG technique. We are using why RAG introduce and apply in why to apply. And this technique is called, we introduce to RAG. I hope everybody clear, introduced to RAG. So the fifth point. Okay. So guys, every time I ask to my students, are you clear? Are you clear? Why I'm asking? Because it's a interactive workshops. So next, fifth point. Just go to the fifth point. Now, so if you refer to this architecture, just I'll give 30 minutes for theory, then we'll do practical. Here, I hope understand this graph. A user, you are the user, I'm a user, write a query, Virat Kohli score, LLM model understand and generate the response. Maybe the response is accurate or not accurate. That doesn't know, isn't it? The LLM model doesn't know. But here, to get a accurate responses, what we do is, so rather than what is RAG saying, how RAG implement in LLM model, first user write a query and it won't reach to Deepak. I will explain, I'll talk to you at the last. Okay, Deepak. So again, I'm saying the student who raise your hands, I will speak you at the last, guys, because we are going with the flow. I'll go with the practical. And if you any questions, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn as well. So no problem. Okay. If I answer your questions, the session going to be 4 hours and 5 hours. I'm sure you can't be stay for such a long time. Deepak, are you guys clear? Everybody. All right. So I do train many leaders and all those things, but I integrate Llama 3 or Llama Sir, giving response for those who submit. Okay. Wait, Ishwar. I'll wait, man. Let me finish and then we talk. Okay. Yeah. So user query. So whenever write any query by user, it retrieve the query and user write in a text format or not? User write in a which format, guys? User write in a text format. So when the user write in a text format, this retrieve the text. So retrieval argument, generations, right? So first part. So whenever a user write the query, it retrieve the text. Okay. So Virat Kohli score. Virat three text. Virat Kohli score. Virat is one token. Kohli is one token. Score is three token. So it retrieve three tokens. These three text will stored in the vector database, and these text will convert to the vector form. Understand, guys? And it search, and this database trained by multiple documents. This database we train to multiple documents about Virat Kohli, and it store all relevant informations, and it pass the informations to, just one second, it pass the informations again, and it generate a query and give to LLM response, and finally LLM model, and finally we generate the response, guys. Are you clear? So what is traditional LLM model? What is RAG based model? What is RAG do here? Very simple. You write any query. So Virat Kohli score, it retrieve the text Virat Kohli score, and these Virat Kohli score will stored in a vector format 0101, and we train multiple documents about Virat Kohli to here, and then it retrieve the similarity informations and generate the responses by LLM model. I hope guys clear. So may I know how many of them clear honestly? How many of them clear, guys? So please respond to your chat window. How does it come? Naidu, I will give you a practical. Just that's what I say. How does it will come to know if we go to vector database directly? Naidu, very simple. We have to train some PDF, man. In websites, we load some documents. Understand? We load some documents. That's why we'll have practical now. Just you can go for it. Okay. Now the next one. Wait. Thank you. Okay. One moment. Yeah. Taneshwari, what is the issue? I said I will talk you at the last. Unmute you. Any questions? You raise your hands. Unmute you. You can speak with me. Unmute you, please. Okay. Yeah, that's right. It also very good, Ishwar. It also help for security purpose. Fantastic. Every company has a database. So very simple, guys. This is a easy explanations. A user, this is traditional LLM models. This is RAG based model. So that means, okay, I already explained this one. Next one. Next, go to the next topic. But the question is, where we use RAG in real time? RAG can be help anywhere there is a specific set of informations. LLM may not have training data. For example, customer support Q&A chart, email chain analysis, company internal documents sheet. Okay, very good. See, if you work in Wipro or maybe some other company, and right now you cannot load company document to the chat GPT. Would you do that, guys? Let's assume you're working in a Genpact and you need some information about client. Can you load company document to chat GPT? No, you can't. Okay. So for that, we need to have more credential information. Just now Ishwar said credential informations, and also you should have good security reason. So for all the reason, the RAG based privacy would very helpful. So trust me, the project which I'm explaining today, you can easily mention in your resume happily, guys. I will tell you practical as well. Understand? Sixth one. So what is the sixth one we done right now? So you can apply this RAG applications in many use cases. For example, just now I mentioned email chain, company internal document. Listen to me. If you worked in a large company, so it's like a demo, sir. No, man, it's not demo, Muhammad. Okay. So if you worked in a large company, you know how hard it can be get an answer sometimes. So this all textbook QA. So Very simple, guys. Do you study math? In school days, we study mathematics or not? Let's see. Mathematics has 10 chapter. Mathematics has 10 chapter. So how human intelligence saying? What is human intelligence saying? And if you want to know the probability chapter, if you want to learn probability chapter, so how do you refer to the probability chapter? Based on index or not? Based on index. So every textbook has page, and you open a math book and you go to the 10th chapter and you pull out the probability topic. And here you save time and you got accurate informations and the right response you got, guys. Pretty clear. And we skip 1 to 9 chapter. So what if I not give you index, it's take hard time or not? It's take hard time to pull out the reports, guys. The same way, what is RAG does, if you upload any documents, and if you need some certain informations of the document, it will find and generate the content appropriate content from the documents, guys. Okay, so this is what now eighth point. Just go to the eighth point. Now let me show you some of the slideshow, and then we complete, and then we're heading toward practical. So where do we use RAG? We understood what are the topic we covered so far, guys. So my introduction's done, and then what is RAG, how we divide into three part, and what is traditional LLM models, what is RAG based systems, and how the data stores, what exactly example I give you, and type of LLM models we also discuss right now. Okay, then connect the LLM. This is what just now I said here. For example, you have a database and okay, this is the user, you are the user, you prompt, in a prompt you write a query. So it not reach out to the LLM model first, it reach out to the database and it pull the relevant data and LLM model generate the responses, guys. So this vector store is a collections of embedding vectors. I'll talk about this. So I will try to explain a last architectures and then we try to understand. All right, guys. RAG architectures. Let's understand. I will mention these points 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I'm telling you, if you're non-technical, some of the people are hard to understand. See, the topic which is easy, there's a no make sense. So the topic this is a new topic, I try to explain in an easy way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Follow this, these things. A user write a query. So this query, okay, Virat Kohli score. This Virat text is converted to the vectors using transformers, and it embedded these text to the vector, and it's stored in the vector, guys. Also, this is one part. Just go here, and this is one part. Okay, guys. Next, this is one part. User write a query, it embed, it store the vector. Another part. So what exactly happened to the vector? Whatever the query, we try to raw data. For example, Virat Kohli. Where do you find Virat Kohli informations? From Insta, from Wikipedia, from multiple documents you have internet. So from the internet, we extract the informations about Virat Kohli using techniques called OCR, PDF data extractions, web crawler. There is a multiple things available in the B. So that means from the internet or from any kind of web media or dictionaries or PDF or articles. So we extract the informations from data source and we apply OCR technique, PDF data extractions, web crawler, and we chunk and again vector it embedded from embedding. It will create embedding vectors. And also, so there's a two things here. Try to understand. We write a query about this guy, Virat Kohli, and here or Dhoni. So it will store embedding vectors. This also enter to the vector database. So don't you think, guys, from this vector database, whatever the query you enter, it will match similarity vector and it create a relevant data store, and then it give to the LLM model and you generate a appropriate response and you generate a appropriate response. Guys, how many of them clear? How many of them clear? Just very fantastic architectures, very easy architecture. Mohammed, आगे समझ में आ गया? Very good. Any questions? Naidu clear? Good. On fresher, experienced people, fresher, leaders, managers, and my old students. Very much clear, guys? So this is what RAG works. So that's the practical we're gonna do now. That's the practical we're gonna do now. Pretty clear. That's good, guys. Next one. So 1, 2, 3. Again, write a query and it's stored in a vector database. And we load some of the documents, and it'll chunk again. These chunks will stored in a vector database. And finally, it pulls the relevant required informations and what is embedding. Rajesh, maybe you not embedding means a text will embedding vectors means what embedding. So Virat, your machines does not understand Virat Kohli, right? So Virat will convert to 1 and 0. So it will convert the transform categorical to numerical data. It's kind of embedding. Understand, Rajesh? Clear now? Just go here. So internally these things done. Okay, good. Now go ahead. So the same data prep done by machine or developers. Data pre-processing done by developers, not machine. So here, this is again similar kind of architectures, same architectures we mentioned, no need to go with. So today we go ahead and do practical. Shall we go ahead for practical, guys? Shall we go ahead? So what exactly we done? RAG architecture, we are completed. So I no need to go in depth right now. So there's a multiple RAG and then go to the 9. So we almost spent how much time? We almost spent 45 minutes. And in this 40 minutes, we understood RAG. What are the topics we covered? What is RAG? RAG architecture, how RAG help in LLM model, all those things we done. Then go to RAG practical. Just follow me and let's work. So the first, we try to complete this practical on Google Colab. We'll use LangChain framework. We use Llama 370 billion parameters. We talk about Group API and Hugging Face. So I don't want PDF now. Let's work. So the practical steps. First, I want everyone to go to Google and open Google Colab. So just go here and open Google Colab. So let me open as well. Just minimize and okay, just close everything and Google and Google Colab. Just go here and welcome to Google Colab, guys. Just go and enter. So after do you see what I done? Very simple. Go to Google and Google Colab and then click new notebook. The first step is new notebook. Let's open a new notebook. So this is the new notebook we opened. This is the new notebook. Sir, can I join workshop offline? Arey Mohammed, this is online workshop. Okay? And you can attend offline classes. Okay, Mohammed. Jab class start hoga, then you can join. Tomorrow you come to Amirpet and meet me at new campus. I'll take in offline classes there. Okay, that's good. Okay. So let's start working. Are you guys done this step? Quick. Everyone open. I want everyone to work. Maja aa jayega practical as. Everyone please work on it. Good. Okay. So here Google and open source Google Colab. Done everyone? Can I go to the next step? Okay, that's fine. So, and here just change. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Please mention RAG LLM. Done. I rename to RAG LLM. So just I rename my workbook to RAG LLM. Done. And then go to runtime and connect to GPU. Just go to runtime and change runtime to GPU save. So just 1 second and go to runtime and select change runtime to GPU. Done, everyone? Okay. So online team, are you working? If working, I'll slow. If not working, I'll explain. What do you want? If you're working, I'll take slow and I'll mention all this process one by one. If you guys not working, I will continue that, or maybe you will do it later. Working, Sudhanshu is working. Very good. What about rest of them? Bhupinder is working. Working, Prasanna. Okay, working, sir. That's good. Okay, so runtime and done this. Connect to select change. Select the option and change runtime to GPU. Karthik. Karthik, question mark. What is your questions type? I see T4 GPU options. Yes, go to runtime, change runtime type. Yeah, you can select to T4 GPU and save. T4 GPU and save. Yes, thanks. GPU, thanks. Done, guys. Good. Now, if you test small code, welcome, and then execute. Type the small code welcome and execute. So let's check. Okay, we are connecting to GPU. Do you see this, guys? We are connecting to GPU. In GPU, we got 14 GB RAM, system RAM, and GPU RAM. 15 GB RAM, it's provide. Just closed it. Okay, let's do this. And here, I want to select this options, files, and select on this one, connect to Google Drive. And one moment. Okay, let's refresh. Do you see we connect to Google Drive? Or maybe you can write this code as well. Maybe you can write this code as well. So you can type from google.colab and import drive and drive.mount and I think which I have a folder called, just let me check, drive content. Okay, wait. So just try to content and drive. Any code you can type. So you can type this one. I already mounted. I don't want it. Connect to Google Drive. You get these options. Connect to Google Drive. And it's asking this and continue. Type this code. Cancel. I already, please close all the drive it's saying. One moment. Okay. I think I have to connect it. Already done. Let's refresh it. I already done. That's why just go ahead and execute. Are you guys done so far? Are you connected to the drive here? Okay. Yes. Yes. Now let's start working on. So to work this practical, I want to create a requirement.txt file. So the first one, go to my code and we mount drive. Done. Mount drive to your Gmail or respected Gmail or given Gmail. We done, guys. Next. So we work this practical today. There's a few library I'll introduce, which is ChromaDB. Okay, follow me this. And 1 second. 1 second. Okay. Right click, new file, and requirement.txt. Once you're done, you can create a requirement requirement.txt. Just open this and double click on this. I want to install some of the library here. So please ChromaDB. The theory what I explained, just go to my documentations. If you refer to this, we are installing vector database now. This part, we are doing vector-based database. There's a many vector database. For this project, we are using ChromaDB. I think I'll use this version 0.5.5 and LangChain Chroma. Excuse me, guys. LangChain Chroma and 0.1.2. We done this. And LangChain framework, I will install 0.2.11 because these versionings I already mentioned, and so that the practical should be complete. And LangChain community and COMM community, it's not getting, equals to 0.2, 10. So LangChain community. And please type along with me, guys, and any questions you can ask as well. So from the LangChain, we'll use text splitter, right? Just LangChain and text, and then we can apply add splitters equals to. So just one moment, I'll go to try here. So why are we using LangChain? LangChain is framework, man. Models we build, right? See, why we use OpenCV, why we use Matplotlib. So we're using to develop the practical. Understand? Suravarma, LangChain for this is a framework like Pandas, NumPy. It is a framework or not? The same way, generative AI framework is LangChain. We are building a generative AI practical, so that's why we use LangChain. Clear now? Can I explain again from connecting to drive? Like is a flask. No, man. Where did you learn all these classes, Rajesh? What is Flask? What is LangChain, man? Strange. That's why you guys very hard to understand. Flask is a different story. LangChain is different story. Okay, just go ahead. So wait, let me explain one more time. But let's create this one. Okay, 1 second. Text splitters. I can say 0.2.2. So this is all LangChain is a framework. We build language model using the framework. Okay, we're doing a generative AI projects. All right. And then LangChain Grook API I introduce. Let's try to set up my file and then I'll explain one more time. Transformers. Okay, so transformers would help to convert the text to the vectors. So here 4.43.2. So how do I know this? Because I already little informations. I checked it. Transformers. We have 4.43 transformers PYPI. Just open it. So do you see, guys? This is all transformers library. NumPy library, Pandas library. The same way we have transformers library. In this library, you have some versions and similar same versions we are installing in here as well. So transformers 4.43 point. Just give me some time. I'll come back to you. You can type in the meantime. You can type in any notebook, guys, and then I'll tell you what to do. Sentence transformers equal to 3.0.1. Or wait, I will give you this file so that you can work. Understand, guys? As we unstructured data, we documents PDF are unstructured, right, guys? CTURED, unstructured equals to 0.15.0. See, I know, because without learning AI, you cannot learn generative AI, guys. You can learn, but it's very hard to understand. Unstructured, I want to upload any PDF. So that's why I will install few versions along with this. So wait, let me save and execute. And if it works, I will tell you again from the basic. Control S, save, and I will mention this 1 second. Pip install r quirment.txt. If I get any error, then okay, that's fine. Good. Just give me some time. If it's done, then I will tell you, and you have to complete these steps. All right, guys. Good. One moment. Let me copy, and I will mention 10th. The first setup created a requirement.txt. Why I created the requirement.txt? Because I don't want to install the file one by one. So copy and I save here. So 11. Guys, I will share you in the chat. Can you please copy and do it? Everyone? Done. Everyone do it, please. So, okay, any questions? How may I help you now? Please go ahead. I'll close it. Any questions, guys? Still it's loading. I will repeat again. Just wait. Let me install all these libraries. Chat. I know many people will leave because they need easy things. Error. No, wait. You don't get any error. Wait, I will tell you. Could you provide instructions? Command the pip requirement. I'll show you, Satish. Wait. See, you get restart sessions, cancel it, and hash it. Don't worry, it will done. Hash it. Okay, just go ahead and comment, execute. I already share, Amit. Let me do one more thing, guys. I'll explain one more time. Do listen to me. First, go to Google and create a Google Colab. Everyone got this file. Once you got this file, connect to the drive. You get your Google Drive here and right click and little, see, if you close this, open the file. Can everyone click the line here? Look at my cursor, this one, this one. So I want everyone to click this and right click, new file, right click, new file, and open a new file like this. You can create a requirement requirement.txt and already done. You open that and I'll share this libraries. Can you please all, everyone, yeah, I share. Can you copy and paste it and save? Control S, that's it. Now try this, it will work. And let me know how many of them done. I'll wait for you. And let me know once you're done, I will wait for you. Could not open requirement file. Bhupinder, don't worry, maybe do it later. See, right click, new file, and right click, new file. So here you just mention re.txt, open, double click on it, copy the documents which I give it to you, and then paste. It will work. Okay. An issue anyone got? Seems some typo mistakes. Exactly, Karthik. Bhupinder, you no need to type. So I just share the file. I'd share all these things, copy and paste it. It will work. Okay. Rahul, very simple things, guys. Okay, do one thing. The one who can work, you can work with me. The one who collab paid products, cancel contracts. Are you working in mount point must be in directory that exists? Okay, got this error. So mount point, you not mounted properly. See guys, you have to, this is collab notebook. I'm using my Gmail. Okay. So your Gmail has to connect with the drive. So because you got the error, you not mounted properly. You just, okay. You execute this code, it asks for permission. Would you give a permission, guys? Please give the permission and it will work. Okay, Prasanna? That's what I'm saying. Done. Sudhanshu, very good. Sudhanshu done. How many of them completed? Please type D. How many of them completed? Type D. Done. Very good. Done. Very good. Could you please share code commands? I already share, buddy. Just go to chart and 1 second. No, this is not required. Just go here and delete file. Okay. And requirement. Just copy and I will share to everyone. Okay. See guys, let me write it down here. If anyone work with me, please work, or else, please work, or else I will share the live workshop link. You can do it later as well. All right. Because if I wait for everyone, it's going to be 3 to 4 hours. Chris required no such file directory. Okay. Very simple things. You can't do it, guys. Here, got it. Done. Rahul got it. Very good. Okay. Krish, are you doing for the first time? REQUIREMENT, right? You mentioned E, but I mentioned, I look at the spelling as well. You save here REQUIRMENT and I mention EMENT. Definitely it will give error, right, guys? Check the spelling as well and solve it. Can I move on to the next one? Okay. Come on, guys. The small things. Exactly. Restarts. No. Don't restart. Cancel it. Cancel it. Satish, cancel it. We can go ahead. Yeah. Once we cancel it, hash it. Installation's not required every time. Installation's done once and close it. Good. So I hope everyone completed the 2 steps. Let's move on to the next one now. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. I will library, you import some of the library. Very good. Yeah, thanks. Karthik, type mistake. You have to check, man. Import OS. And then from LangChain. Okay, so today from LangChain, I will install document loaders. I will load some documents, import. I will load unstructured PDF file loader. Wait, unstructured PDF file loader. Do we have somewhere unstructured? Okay, this one, file. Okay, just 1 second. I'll cancel the call. All right, done. 1 second. So first one, please type along with me. You don't need to type everything import OS. All right. And then see, don't execute. I will write few of the commands. Okay, so automatically tab. Wait, LangChain documents is done. And then I have from LangChain text splitter, import character text splitter. Okay. LangChain, no. This part, I have to mention few more things. And let me fire as I don't want it. Just leave it. The two line, please work from LangChain. We installed community or not? Just go to the requirement file and wait from LangChain underscore, okay, community. And we try to embedding the text, right? Embeddings, import Hugging Face. Very good. Import Hugging Face. I don't use Fias right now. Let me close this. So 3 things we done. And after that, for this practical, I'm using ChromaDB from LangChain underscore, I'm sorry, just Chroma and import Chroma. All right. All right. So I'll use Grook as well because it's a large language model. So we use few big parameters as well. We use 70 billion parameters. So I can't do with this one. So Grook and import chart Grook. And then from LangChain dot chains import. Okay, as we do a retrieval, just retrieval QA, done it. Just go here and wait. And I error. I don't use OpenAI because it's a paid account. So I'll use Grook. It's a open source. And Hugging Face, it's again open source. Just go ahead and enter. Try this, any issue. Fantastic. Can you please write this? I will copy and give it to you. Try to everyone. Done this. Let me know once you completed. Very simple. We import OS as we load some of the documents. To do that, the document is unstructured data. So that's the reason we mentioned langchain.document leaders reader import unstructured file and langchain.text, because when we enter any text to the prompt, it has to be text split, and then langchain community embeddings, import Hugging Face embeddings, and using ChromaDB, using Grook, and using retrieval QA. So I need get response from everyone. Just let me know once you're done. How many of them completed? Raja done. Very good, man. What about rest of them? Karthik done. Excellent. Okay. Yanam, you can refer if you joined late. Okay, you're done. Good. Fantastic. Okay, now everyone open login to this account. Go to Google, Grook. Can you please log into Grook account? Just Grook fast interfaces. And then here, you no need to do, we have LPU. 1 second. We are using 70 billion parameters key, guys. This one, you know how to log into the Grook API key? Okay, just go to YGrook and you need to log into the Grook. 1 second. Just 1 second. So I think start building. 1 moment. Can you please log into the playground? Can you please log into the playground and get your API keys, everyone? Just get your API keys. Yeah, playground. Yeah, create API key. Thank you, Ishwar, for helping me. 1 second. So let's copy and paste to everyone. So I want everyone to log in this file and copy and then paste here. Collect, generate your own API key. Generate your own group API key is this one from this below file. Okay, I have my API file. Sorry to ask in middle. No problem, Karthik. That's fine. No problem. No problem. Okay. So guys, how many of them done? I have my API key and let me open the API key. So online team, are you doing? Online team, are you generate your API key? Google Drive into this LM will read and use data for next response. Okay, that's fine. Very good. Done. Okay, but I have to I don't want to delete. Secret key, I think somewhere I have to store. 1 second. Let me generate my API key as well. And I'll pause for some time. Just hold this and group API key. I'll copy my API key and just go to my code and I'll mention os.environment. And here I can try as group underscore grok or group, anything you can say, doesn't matter. API key. And then I'll keep it to tab control V. API key, very good, Satish. Please copy the API key and let me show my screen and write this code and execute. And execute. I enter my API key. You have to create your own API key like this and execute this code. Done. You have to create like this os.environment. We import OS here. So this is all the library, generative AI library we import to work with the documents. And I will tell you all the architecture. 1 second, which one we're doing. See what exactly we're doing right now, guys. I will explain this practical along with RAG architectures, along with practical. Okay, we do this. Are you guys done now? So just go ahead and done. Any questions? Any question, team? Okay. Done API key? Quick. How do you do? Again, I'll tell you how to generate API key. Done. Very good, Raja. Just line chain. Cannot import retrieval QA. Okay. Can you please, which one, if I refer? I think you don't have underscore over there, buddy. You don't have underscore retrieval QA. Why you type? Don't type. We don't have time. So just go to the chart. Okay, Naidu, I think you got this error because you mentioned retrieval underscore QA. So don't try this. Got it. This one connected. Excellent. So guys, are you create group API key now? Okay, now do one thing. I will try to load a document. Just go to the architecture. I'm going to this part now. I load one document to my practical. Where do I load a PDF? I will go to my Google and I will create a few PDF like Python functions. I will write, give me the Python functions. Okay. So I'll take some of the, okay, wait. I will load PDF to my code. This is my code I have. I will load PDF. I need PDF or not? I'll go to the Google and I'll ask Python function PDF. Just enter this. So let's try functions in Python. I will take any PDF. Don't worry, you just listen to me. I'll tell you what need to do. I'll check this PDF, how many. Okay, that's good. So we have functions in Python or not, guys, this one? Okay, so how many pages? This is a big pages we have. And I try to take less pages or big pages, that's fine, anything. So one moment. So here, just close this. I want to take any Python functions and functions in Python. Wait, okay, that's good. I think I will load this one rather than, okay, Python functions, or maybe, yep, try this. Copy the file and functions in Python. Everyone know what is functions in Python. I will go here and you can load any PDF, but at this moment, okay, just go to my code and one moment, guys. Import requests tab and URL. I'll give my URL over here. Just 1 second. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll try to find another URL. Do I have anything else? Just one moment. All right, guys. Just one moment. Don't leave the sessions. You're going to learn very interesting. One moment. I'll show the architecture. I'll try to check. Do I have some of the URL I uploaded? Let's take more time. Online team, can you hear me? Online team, can you hear me? Okay, Ishwar, you don't need to give any. Okay, you no need to give your URL to me, man. Okay, I think I'm getting slow response now. Wait, just 2 minutes. Okay, that's fine. I'll load this URL. I try to find out. Okay. Okay, Python functions. How many pages we have? 23 pages, right, guys? No, no, we don't take. This is not take functions, built-in functions. Okay, I'll copy this file and go to my code and I'll paste this URL. Do you see this, guys? I will share this link to you to the chart window, and everyone, I'll take one URL from here. So very simple. How do I get any URL? I just go to my Google and I mention Python function and just close this. And in Python functions, you can find some URLs. Okay, so how many pages? 25 pages functions. Or maybe let's copy and I'll apply this now. Wait, any file, it's not only functions, I'll get back to you. Just try this one so that we can chat everyone. Okay, everyone I posted, can you check now? Enter file. Okay, so please copy the PDF and you execute it. See, what do you do if you go to the architecture? I'm going to do this step now. I'm going to do this step, right? I load some documentations and I try to chunk it. Just go here, go to the code. And I read the document. So this is, we fetch the PDF. So what we done here in this part, we fetch the PDF from URL. So this is what we done, guys. This is what we done. All right. And once we execute it, we already done this. Now I want to save the PDF now. I want to save the PDF, a local file. I mean, I have a collab file. How do I do that? I have file handling, let's say with open, and I will done fetching PDF from URL. Very good, guys. And then I'll take, okay, can you please We're working on Python PDF. So I want to rename, right? So I'll make a name as with open Python functions PDF. Okay, write binary file and f request read and write. And okay, not request. I should get response dot get URL. Just 1 second. F dot write. So I don't want request. I need response execute. Okay, incomplete. Okay. Response dot content. I don't want URL as well. One moment. I have to close it. Execute now. Why? As of any error, guys? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I create a response here, and let's create a response request.get URL. Rather than I do it here, just execute and code response, just execute here. Okay, that's fine. We got responses as well. And now save the PDF in local file. Check. We have python.functions PDF. Do you see we read it here or not, guys? Check this, everyone. So if you check this one and as binary and response.content, try this now. Okay, I think I mentioned a small r. Just go and execute. Fantastic. So do you see, let's double click on it. Let's double click on it and download. This is the PDF we load to the model. But your voice is not audible to hear. Okay, guys, can you hear me now? Abhishek? But your voice is yes. No, can you, Abhishek, can you check your, system, internet? Because Abhishek, I'm able to hear. Everyone can hear me. Oh, now clear. Okay. Just go to the code. Please, team, please done this one. Please done this one. And you will get all the files. So how many working? We create API key and we store the file and done. So this one we save the PDF file in locally because we save the Python functions file over here, guys. Understand? And after this is very important. That's what we're going to do. RAG practical now. Done. Hemant done. Very good, Hemant. Anyone? How many of them completed? Now, how many of them completed? Look at this code. Sudhanshu done. Very good. Excellent. Now go to the code file. And how many of them? Krish done. Fantastic. What about rest of them? Avishek done by guys? Okay, clear. Good. Bhupinder, you got stuck somewhere. Prasanna, no problem. You'll do it later. Okay, guys, that's fine. Now I want to load the document. How do I load? Let's create a variable. I try to create loader equal to and unstructured. Okay, and file loader. And so here, just tab it. So this is, I'm talking about Python functions, or maybe I'll change as, okay. So this is inbuilt functions. Better I can write as inbuilt functions.pdf. So here, because inbuilt functions, just go and execute. Let's check. Okay, this is inbuilt functions and just go ahead and check it here, loader. Great. Okay, so maybe that's okay. I wish you maybe it's renaming it. That's it, guys. So guys, done. And then documents equals to and loader dot text. So I'm sorry, not text. I want to loader dot load the document over here. And then documents, not one documents. Just load. Guys, very straightforward and simple code. LOADER. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Just LOADER. Execute this now. Wait. I hope it read all the documents, guys. Do you see this? We call chunking. We chunk here. Okay, string object has read dot PDF. Why? What is the issue? String object has, do I have done any important? One moment, guys. Response dot content we done. And I want to loader, LOADER, unstructured file loader, and inbuilt functions PDF we done. Documents loader dot load, and then execute one more time. Explain error. So anyone got response? Can you please check this? Done, sir. Able to see the file content folder. Are you? I don't think so. Why I'm getting this attribute error? You also got the same error? Okay. Okay, you also got the same error. Wait. It's saying, okay. All right. It's saying use this code with open. Wait. As F. So open the file, binary read file. We done this. Now, 1 second. It should work. Okay, just give me some time. I will restart the kernel. No attribute read. Hypothesis. Can you please load this now? Open the binary file as FP. Copy it. Wait, just code here and try. Sir Deepak, instead of RB, still it works, buddy. I'll try read binary. Okay. Execute this. No. So I use write binary. That's okay. Just give me 2 minutes. We will create it now. Okay, that's good. And then just 2 minutes, guys. And then here we done it. And then documents. Still documents.loader has, okay. Okay, documents. That's okay. I don't want it. Close it. Just loader with open. Done this, guys. I don't want this one as well. We just create a loader and I create two documents. That's fine. You can use this code. Just don't worry about that. You can use this code, guys. So here, once we done it, can you please try this? You got the documents now? Check this. We have all the documents we can find out here. Are you done this? Please let me know once you covered. So here we can write binary and read binary and we stored into documents. So whatever the PDF file we have, the PDF file we store into document format. Done. Please share the RB code. Okay. 1 second. Just copy and chart window to everyone and done it. Just guys, done. So now let me know once you covered. And once we done, okay, I'll try another code. Text, I have to split the text, right guys? Okay, text splitter. I want to split the text with character text splitter. 1 second. No. CHA. Okay, character text splitter. And chunk size, I don't take much chunk size equals to 200. All right. And chunk size, or maybe I can go for as 2000. Okay, just tab, overlap 50. Let's close and execute. And then you can try text splitter execute. So do you see what exactly we use LangChain? And just go to my documentations. Do you see this part we done, guys? Chunking. This part we done so far. How many of them clear? How many of them clear? Just go to the RAG. Okay, let me close my VS Code. Text splitter. So how many of you got responses up to this? Online team? Chat. Completed or not? This code, please type this code. Once you got, work on this now. I know. Most of them left. That's true. Done, guys? Very good, Krish. Sudhanshu done. Good, excellent. All right. So we split the text. So in the RAG, guys, listen to me. In the RAG, so how to decide the chunk size? No problem, because you can randomly will be better somewhere 800, right? So you can check 800. You can check, maybe I can check into 500. It's not like that. Anything 400, 500. Okay, let's go ahead to 800, because when you try to make more time, then it take little much time to runtime would be high. So I would appreciate to 400, and then still you got, did you see larger chunk size 200 should be smaller. My collab file recommend me to do not use more than 200. So that's why I just referring to 100. Clear now? Krish, understand? That's good, because 800, I don't think so. The system we need to take, just go to the text splitter. We done this. Cool. Guys, done now. Next one, I want to type text. Just go here and execute. Oh, sorry. Did I create a text now? I haven't created text. Oh, okay. Okay. So let's text splitter I created. I'll add. Oh, wait. Sorry. So I have to make it to Control G. Text equals to, yeah, let's make into this now. Okay, that's fine. Specified, which is longer than 200. All right. Then I could say type of texts. Yes. Please done this, guys, now. There's a list. And if I want to check the text of 4, okay, check this. We got have no header file or declarations of the functions type dynamic. If I mention 2, check 1. So guys, are you getting my point? Are you done this one? Text splitter we done, and text, and we load this part. So very simple. If you go to the RAG, I'm doing these steps now. These steps we completed. I'm waiting for embedding now. I'm waiting for embeddings. All right, let's do embedding. Please, once you're done, I think I don't use 100, guys. Better I'll use 50 for make sense. Just go to the text now and type of text list and 2. Wait, just go to this now. Now I'll try to do embeddings equals to, sir, what is chunk overlap? Are you get that message? 238. So that's what I think I have to, let's wait for some time. If I'm not getting error, then that's fine. If I getting error, I have to restart my kernel. So that's why we no need to do multiple times here. So I want to run time and restart my sessions one more time so that I should get appropriate responses, guys. Wait for some time. Okay, Raju. Wait. So all the kernels are deleted. That's good. Yes. So here also wait for some time. Okay, I have to run again. Runtime. Okay. So runtime and restart session. I want to restart all the sessions and run all. Yes. I have to restart my sessions one more time. Just wait for some time, guys. So that, okay. You also, if possible, you can also do that. So online team, please understand, because when we work together, so we have to, okay, that's fine. I also get this. Now do one thing, guys, embedding from Hugging Face embeddings, just go and execute. We install the library embedding. Please do up to this, and we will wait for some time because it will install these embeddings from here. So guys, are you clear? Very simple way we are explaining. First, now this part we're doing. So up to this, we write a code, we go to Google and download one PDF. From the PDF, we chunk. From the chunk, we do Hugging Face embedding. Now we store to the vector database. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a query for vector database. Just go ahead and do it now. Just go ahead and Sudhanshu, very good, buddy. Okay, just here we go. We done this. Now let's write a code here for vector database. Now I want to create a directory and create a variable, and I create a vector DB. Just hash it. Just go here and execute this. Please write this one, vector DB. And I create a variable called vector database equal to, as I said, I'm using Chroma documents and text. We already created texts or not, guys? And we create a vector, guys, texts embeddings. Okay, and persistent directory equal to persist directory. That's good. And execute. Right, vector database we created. Now what we done? So just go to the architecture. So we done these steps, and embedding from Hugging Face we done. We create a vector database. Now the next part is retrieve. Let's work with retrieval part. Just 1 second. Go ahead and close it. Could you pass the embedding command? Satish, wait. This one, right? I'll copy and let me post to you, chat to everyone. Let's pass to the embedding commands. Okay, we done the embedding commands. I post it now. So once you're done, let's do a retrieval now. So retrieval. So the code is retriever equals to vector database retriever. So guys, done this 3 line? Everyone? Embedding? How many of them done so far? Satish, Krish, Raju, and Sudhanshu. I know 3 of them working. And what about rest of them? Hemant, are you stuck somewhere? Guys, you can happily mention in your resume these all projects. No, I got stuck in between doing in parallel. No problem, no problem. All those things will do. Amit, done. Very good. So you happily mentions experienced people. You can mention this on your resume because you work multiple documents, and those documents you can work because everything is live I'm doing. So, oh, yep. I've definitely, error should come, guys. Being a developer, we should get now. So here, LLM from, I need to call group model here. Now LLM equals to chart group, and model equals to, I'll go ahead and wait. I need to call my group file. Wait for some time. Just I don't need a playground. Okay. Do you see 70 billion we have or not? Let's, okay, model. And we have this model, guys. Llama versatile. Do you have instant 3170 billion model? And 1 second versatile. I'll, hey, copy, man. 70 billion versatile. Okay. So it's better. I can type this. Can someone type and give it to me? Llama 3.1. Wait, I'll go to the model and Llama 3.1. Let me write it down here. Just go to my code and here, model equal to just chart group. And I can create a, hope it should come automatically. This one also. Try this. No, click this. Llama 3.1. Okay. Give me some time, guys. Here we go. And Llama 3.1 and hyphen 70 billion versatile. Okay, that's cool. Check. Am I done something wrong here? One more time. LLA MA hyphen 3.1 70B. Oh, Rahul, thank you. Oh, would you share? Thanks, Rahul. I will check this one and copy. Okay, see, let's see. I trust you. Go ahead and I will paste it. Okay. And I mention, yep, I done this. Temperature equal to 0. Let's pass 0 and let's shoot. Oh, that's good. We done it. Try this now. It solve. And see, just go to this code architecture, embedding done, vector store done. We call the LLM model, which model? Llama 3 model from Grook. We imported this model. All right. And let me know once you complete. So now I want to create a QA underscore chain, question answer chain. I try to create a chain. Can you send the Llama code in chat? 1 second, guys. Let me copy and just use this chat window. Everyone try this. Okay, I share it, guys. QA chain equal to, okay, so do you know LangChain from retrieval QA we called here? Just if you refer to this. Okay, so we already retrieval QA from the chains, same code we implementing now. And here LLM equals to LLM, that's fine. From chain type, I'm just checking something, spellings are wrong. Stuff and retriever. Okay. And then I want to get the document as true. Wait. Close it and execute now. That's okay. Control C and chart here, Control V. Okay. Try this code. And now I want to invoke a query. Let's say I want to ask a query. Okay. What are the function inbuilt function from this PDF? I'm asking query. See, I load all this model and now response equals to QA chain, and I want to invoke the query from the query and just query. The two things done. I think just go here. Oh, wait. This is a right? Dictionary. So I keep them into a curly braces. Just shoot it. Wow, that's great. And print response. Oh, yes, we got it. Okay, okay. Wait, now print and response. And I want to know the result. Just go here to the result part. Oh, so beautiful. Do you see what are the inbuilt functions I got? Oh, lambda, everything. Just wait, wait, wait. So here I will do one more time. Print response result. Just give me some time. Let me try to get a, do you see based on a provide context? I don't see any inbuilt. The example provides such as square, twice, quad, applier. So these functions, however, I can tell you lambda is a built-in keyword in Python. But for that, print response and tab source document. 1 second. I'll give you, but let me check metadata. I will consider it as from source part, and let me shoot it. SOURCE. So something is wrong here. Wait. Response source documents. I think somewhere I missed it here. Okay. Source underscore documents. Try this. And here, let's execute source. I didn't create source documents. Okay, but finally we, wait. Key error source. Wait. So guys, are you doing it now? Please check. Okay, let's copy and I'll try it here. No. So guys, please do it. We got response as well. Do you see we got the result as well? We got the result as well. Try this now. Do you see we got the result, guys? That's fine. And here, print response or responses, RESPONSC. Key error source, I think. So are you guys got this output, everyone? I guess got this output. Check this. Okay, wait, or else. So anyone, so where you stuck? May I know, please? May I know, please? This part is done. Response retrieval is done. And chart GPT, this temperature is done. Can I share this code, guys? Queue a chain. Let's copy and try this now. Everyone execute. Try this now. Queue a chain. Okay, Rahul, you also got the source document. Wait, I am getting, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. I can, okay, wait. Can you try check why we got here? Anyone? Print response, source documents, and we got 0 metadata source. Okay, wait. Okay, we got print response. Okay, so if I leave this code and let's write another code as well. Let's check. I want to invoke the chain, but query, I want to pass the query and I'll ask, give me summary of all function from this PDF, question mark. Okay, guys, I just write the question mark over here and then I'll try saying response. Just 1 second. Response invoke query and just wait. Print response and okay. Let's try to result. Once we done and I apply a star mark, give me 30. Okay, into 30. That's fine here. I'll tell you. And no, I don't. Oops. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Print source. I want to create a source documents. I think I have to, if not, and response. Okay. 1 second. I hope it should work. Source underscore documents and then 0 dot metadata of source. Let's try. Oops. Okay. Can you fix this? Print result. Print result. Okay. Unmatched 30. Wait, guys. Just give me some time. Okay. One moment. I will try to show you. Give me some time, guys. Print statement wrong. Is it? Wait. Just it will see. Error should come, guys. No, unmatched. It's saying 30. Oh, my bad. So here we done this now. Okay. That's great. We got some sources. So this part is, do you see, based on provided context, here is the summary of the function mentioned. Now, can you please tell me? So I'll don't delete it. Can you please let me know where do you stop, guys? So we call the group model and we got all the file here. And do you see we got responses? But what if I don't want, check this. Great. Guys, finally we got our responses or not? The PDF which we load, I'm saying give me summary of all functions from this PDF. The PDF which I load from here, don't you think we got all the PDF here, guys? Square functions, twice functions, quad functions, get finally functions, and all those things, team. So please let me know. So do you see we try to summary of all the functions. The PDF which we load here, we get the file from each and every file. So may I know how many of them done? I'll close everything. Also, I will explain done. Rahul, you completed? Great, man. Good. That's it. Done. Raja, done. Great work. So guys, I hope pretty amazing, isn't it? Answer me. It's a good one. Now let me know if you'd like more to clarify anything. Great, it's asking me. So can you please almost think, okay, wait. I want to load just before that. I want to load. I will share one file to you. So I hope go to my drive. So Raja, you done? RAG upgrade, just open it. And The same way, what happened? The same code. I will share one file. Look at this. And again, I'll go ahead and runtime. The same document, runtime. And this code, I will cancel. I will load another document now, guys. 1 second. This is the document I try to load. Just copy. And here, PDF documents, guys. So Python built-in functions. This is what, do you see all functions we have? Now copy and let's use a chart window for everyone. Once you go to the chart window, try this now with the code which we have. And the code which you have, please try to apply this now, guys. So in this code, I will use this part now. And one moment, I will create all the requirement file. Just copy and I will apply the same code. This sessions, I will cancel it and cancel, change runtime type to GPU save, and okay, manage session, terminate other sessions, just execute 2 minutes. Now let me share another document. Can you please apply to this document to the PDF which we load? Not this, wait. Just right click, new file, connect to Google Drive and continue. Yep, it's doing. 1 second. Just close it. Oh, I hope it's not done. Let me do it again. 1 second. Connect. I'll share one drive to you. Please try that. Connect and file. Continue. That's good. And continue that. And then refresh. That's okay. Right click and new file. And ruquire.txt. Just go here. Control file. And again, I'm doing the same thing so that for better understanding, I hope most of them already know it. The guys who already completed, they know. And I want to let me run this file again. Set of notes. Oh, is it? Raja, you will get it, man. Try this code. You definitely get this. Just let me download and wait. You can load any other PDF, guys. So I'll try to load this. I'll check. I need to get a detailed informations and I'll share you this code to you. Let's work. Okay, don't worry. Guys, pretty amazing. So team, how many of them cleared today's session? How many of them cleared today's sessions? Please let me know because we spent almost yeah, you can feel there's a brief summary of the content if you'd like to ask. Oh, that's nice. Ask for summary. Okay, that's good, man. So you can load any PDF, you can load IPL PDF, you can load rest of the PDF as well. I will share all the GitHub file to you. You can easily mention, but just wait. We'll try to work. 1 second. I know, see, we get some bugs, we fix it, and we get a proper responses from the PDF. And how many of them got the output? Just how many of them got the output? Sudhanshu got, Raja got, and how many of them? Pretty amazing, guys. So see, the RAG is done. Whatever the specific searches we done, we got responses from the PDF. Understand, guys? So God given us a brain and we try to find out, give me the probability of the textbook, we got the probability. But when exactly, whenever you can load any other PDF. Can you try IPL PDF now? Anyone? Go to Google and try IPL PDF and load it and try to check the score and let's see how much got any responses. Let's see how many of them got the response. Try that. Okay. cancel and hash it, then execute now. I'll execute all the file, this one, loader, same code, and I will check this. See which file I load. I think again, the same Python functions. I try this and type text, length, documents. You will get many, you can post any document guys now. Do you see we got a proper now? I want you to try this. I hope text 4 it's working. Embedding, Hugging Face. Because we got little issue, type and retrieval we created, chart groups we created, QA chain we created. See, what are the functions from this PDF? I ask, just I got response as, wait, check this out. I was able to complete the entire thing now, got stuck in between and able to, very good Naidu. Now try this and print responses and check this. And finally, see guys, I'm asking you, the PDF which I load, do you see inbuilt functions are created now? Check this code guys. Got stuck. So honestly answer me, how is the sessions guys? Was it good? Was it good? Tell me, was it good? So it's a hands-on practicals. And I want, so I deserve a comment, isn't it? Would you comment or not? Just go down. Sir, I have learned some things new. Very good, man. Very good. So scroll down, check, see. Absolutely. Can we try loading annual report? Yeah, Raja, can you load now? Can you load now? Yeah, you can load, but it depends on your size and it depends on your how many parameters. See, I can load my IPL data as well. Awesome sessions. Thank you so much, sir. Excellent, man. See, the session attended 100 people, but now they left. Everybody left because learning never comes with 2 minutes, 5 minutes video. And in the sessions today, we done a lot of things. See this, the moment when I load this PDF file, which file? I'll show you. 1 second, just now we mentioned documents and copy. And I try this now. Just go here and try it. I load this PDF and I'm asking to my model and give me the summary of the PDF. I got entire summary. See the code. Do you see this is all inbuilt functions of Python or not? Abs, all, any, ASCII, bytes. That's it. So that means you no need to read entire documents, guys. In this is what the RAG done. LLM models may not give you proper responses from the PDF, and that's what company wants. Please mentions in your resume projects. Definitely you'll get a good responses for interviews. So today we successfully completed the RAG practicals. So, okay, one moment, 1 second. So guys, here, okay. So really good. So please share the document. I'll do it later. Currently working on same kind of using OpenAI model in Redis DB. Okay, Raju, I hope this things helps you. I mean, you can try this code and might be you can, rather than OpenAI, you can use LLM models. But if your company give you the key, yep, you can do this. And see, I can load any reports. Thank you. All right. So guys, you really enjoy the sessions. Thanks to my students, whoever with me till last class. So also, if you, I just give me 15 minutes, I'll cover it. So we done the RAG practicals, hands-on it, hands-on. So what we done here, you load any PDF. maybe annual report by company, or maybe your summarizations of a client, or any PDF. So your code, RAG based LLM, Grook, and Hugging Face embeddings, and it give you the summarizations, guys. Give you the sum. It's a very important done by RAG. And I really thanks to the students, whoever, or professionals, working professionals. They will see, that's what I'm saying. Working professionals are studying nowadays. Students, they can't study because they have a time for do all chit chats and time pass. That's what I'm saying. So, guys, how is your experience? It's good. It's good. So, if yes, I would recommend you to give a comment on these live workshops now. Would you do it? Just everyone? And I want to see this. I will share the live workshops. I guess we can choose which type of vector database. Yeah, that depends on company. SBI, we need to connect to the company, which database they choose. So this is what, see, I cannot load any someone's credential, but I use ChromaDB. You can use with other databases as well. These things, guys, when you develop a code, definitely take more time, isn't it? That's what we see it now. And we successfully completed with all the projects with learning. So I share, and before, just 1 second, just go to slideshow from current slides. And now listen these architectures. I hope these architectures, how many of them clear? This architecture, how many of them clear? How many of them clear this architecture? Clear. Raja, very good. I know you are clear because you're working. How many of them clear? So very simple. These things we done. We stored in vector, embedded, retrieve, and we generate response. That's it. Exactly. And done. Fantastic. Thank you for bringing cutting edge technology and conducting workshops. This really helps all Gen AI enthusiasts. Raju, can you post a comment, please, in the workshop so that people doesn't recognize few things. But here, this is what all models. But here, what is simple RAG? RAG model can also divide into two types. RAG model divide into two part. The first one is simple RAG, simple model, simple RAG model. So we build today text to text model we build, guys. And next, multi-based RAG model. What is multi-based RAG model? We upload a text. You can upload image, you can upload video, you can upload audio. So I hope companies are working on it. So once I check on it, once I'll work some backend on this. If everything fine, I'll take up a. It's pleasure to compliment because you really deserve it. Okay, thank you. Thank you. So this is simple based model and multi-based model. So finally, so if any new professionals, new students want us to come back, so this is my new batch started. And I already taken my previous workshops. These all generative AI workshops. 10 workshops I've been taken on Gemma model. Almost I covered everything, guys, like LangChain, Langsmith, LLM Ops, Gemini AI, and Hugging Face Olama. Also, in upcoming days, I'm going to bring up with more fantastic, more workshops in a few days. So you need to be watch it and see, because when I get more comments and more likes, then I'll go ahead with come up with new sessions. If not, then I don't stop it. I'll explain to my class students as well. So guys, I hope understand. So any question and answers, and I want everyone to just refer to that. And can we get recording on this amazing workshop? Abhishek, I will share one link to you. I will post all those things. And also I will share my GitHub. Wait, also I'll share all the file to you now. The one who attended till last, to them only I'll share, not everyone. Super. Wait, guys. I will share all the code with the documentations. What is ChromaDB? 16th. In depth, I explained today. In depth, and I'll explain. So I want the student who attended today, if you feel the explanation is more helpful for you, just you can post your comments. How you feel your workshop and what do you learn right now immediately? No, this QR code is for different, not this QR code for new student, this QR code for new student. And you can, this is my all generative AI old sessions. And if you feel, comment now and likes it and share your friends as well, guys, so that I won't get anything from it except I spread the knowledge. So I just go here and one moment. Can I share you the GitHub now for today's file? Yes, no? Let me code everything. 1, 2, 3. But let's commit to Git all the file. And okay. Let me download work. I will share the GitHub. Please, once you post the comment. There are some conditions. Yes, guys. Please do so now. In the meantime, I'll post all the detail now. I'll take around 5 minutes to post these things. Drag built-in functions PDF, save. I'll saving all the file in one, and then can I share this PDF to you also? Do you want this PDF also, guys? Yes, no? Okay, yes. 2 minutes. I'll share all those things. But 1 second, I have to post that into my repo, exit PyCharm. 1 second. Let's minimize. Please post your comments. How is the session? Post your comments now to the YouTube link. I'll check now. Oh, no one is posted. You guys only liked it. Okay. 1 second. Able to comment? Yeah, not able to comment it. Is it? Okay. No, man. I can able to chat. I can able to comment. I will share this link. Just wait. Can you refer to RAG Live Workshop? This link. Just go to the chat. Everyone. Yeah. Can you please click the link now? Nice workshop. Thank you, Hemant. Deepak done. Okay. Wait, I'll post all the file in here. And I'll check all files are there or not. This notes, RAG requirement, thumbnail, code, and save, file save. All right. Done. Very good. And wait, let me log into my Git account. Let me log into the Git account. Wait. Okay. I'll create a, let's go home, overview. One second. Okay. I'll create a new repository and repository name as generative AI RAG LLM workshop live workshop done, and descriptions end-to-end RAG based model created using Llama 370 billion with Llama 370 billion with what, guys? Hugging Face, no, and Group API, HF embedding, Hugging Face embedding, and also ChromaDB. Okay, ChromaDB. Let's add me file public and wait. Okay. Do I have to post? That's it. I need to add any thumbnail, descriptions, create. Okay, wait, I'll post all the file now and let's share this file. Okay, that's good. And Let me write it down. Okay, that's good. I'll share my all workshops links here and Insta, YouTube link and requirement.txt. Just copy for the workshop I mentioned. This is all Control X. 1 second, guys. I have to make little neat and clean because the things would be pretty clear. Okay. That's good. And my Instagram link, YouTube link, you can find it. That's right. We done it. And this is all the points. Anyway, I shared this notebook. You get it from me. Then go here and commit changes. Okay, update readme. Yes, commit changes. Done. Good. I mentioned all the file here now. And just go home and go to that file. Your profile. Let's click. Let me add file, upload file, and just choose my file, desktop, NIT, and workshops. Just go to the workshop and rag workshop. All the file I'm going to share now. Okay. Except these thumbnails, workshop, notes. Okay. This one, I don't want it. I don't want it. Thumbnail. Okay. See guys, by Python built-in functions, rag ppt, code. This is the code, LangChain code, and final thumbnail, workshop notes, class notes. Just open, done, boom. Cool. That's great. Let's go ahead. Uttam, how to comment? Very simple. I just, Uttam, can you please wait? Just go here. I will share YouTube link. Can you please click the link? 1 second. Rag workshops. It's live on YouTube, buddy. Everyone. Uttam, can you get the file? I share you now. Click it and then comment. So here we go. And uploaded, commit changes, done. Good. Uttam done. Okay. See this, guys? This is all YouTube files we have. And I think I did this one more time. One moment. This is LLM promo. This is Instagram. Commit changes. Wait. Okay, it looks better. And now this is all the file, readme and done. And just go to home and I'll share you this file to you now. Just go and your profile and then live workshop. Let's copy. I keep this file into private for 2 days and rest of them I'll make into private, guys. Just okay. But before that, let me check how many of them commented. All right, that's good. So let me copy. And so guys, really enjoy. Anyone wants to speak? Okay. And then let's go ahead and we try this. Just 1 second. Okay, great. More. Oh, you haven't done? So this is all the live is going on. I want you to select this. Okay, anyway, you will do it later. If not done, I will post this git code now, copy them, and only we have option like, okay, wait. After that, you will comment it. Everyone Just promise me you'll comment. Promise me you'll comment. I'll share my Git now. Please copy the Git and save it and download all the file. Commented. No, I don't see, or else we create a channel. That's fine. That's fine. You can do it later. After the class, might be you can do it. So how is the session? It's good. I'll unmute you. Anyone? That's good. Yeah. So thank you. See you. Anyone wants to speak? I will unmute you, or else we're done for today's sessions. Awesome. Mayank, good. Thanks. Very good, Mayank. And do we have any courses? Yeah. Would you like to join? Would like to join? Oh, Naidu, where? The session was wonderful and learned something special. Great session, sir. Hats off. Great, man. See, guys, now you can upload any more documents to the RAG. So wonderful session. Thank you. Okay, great understanding. See, I'm trying to explain, so simplify, so everybody can understand. Isn't it, Mayank? Excellent. Thank you. And thank you for your time to spend how much? 2.5 hours. I told you I'll take 2.5 hours, and you can implement this projects on your resume too. Great. And I appreciate if you comment. If you not comment, it's your wish. Thanks so much. And that after the end of the session, it will work. Please comment on it. All right. So, and like and share to your friends. The new sessions have started already. If anyone wants to join, so you can log into this file and just go to this file, not this one, on this part, PPT. I'll share this PPT as well. So after 2 hours, I make into private, guys. Can you please download in 2 hours, or else I'll make my Git to public. Everybody got the Git? Please share GitHub link. I already share it, guys. Can you please done in, and then I'll make it to private. Okay. I think I shared. Wait. Okay. Let me close. This is my Git. Let's copy chart. Okay. Mayank, please try this now. Thank you, guys, and see you on next workshops or maybe in the class. Have a good day and good week. And thanks. Bye. Thank you for your session. Thank you for your joining. Great, guys. Thanks. Stop it. Okay. Okay. Good day, guys. Happy weekends and bye. And see you. And reach out to Naresh IT for any further questions, and reach out to me in my LinkedIn. Good day. Bye. I'll stop it.